Welcome to All American Trailers.
The Deckover Flatbed Trailer 14 kg VWR with ramps is a heavy-duty and reliable trailer design. For hauling a variety of equipment and materials, this trailer has a 6 inches deep-sea channel steel tongue. Extended above the suspension for added strength and durability, the main frame is constructed of 10 inches I-beam steel with 3 inches channel steel cross members, providing a sturdy foundation for heavy loads. The trailer features 5 inches channel sides and steel rub rails with stake pockets for secure tie-down points. The stake pockets are extra thick 10-gauge formed and spaced on 24 intervals for added versatility. The 2516 adjustable height coupler and dual safety chains ensure a safe and secure towing experience. For easy loading and unloading, the trailer comes equipped with 8 slide-out ramps that can support heavy machinery and equipment. The 12,000 pounds drop leg jack is in a setback position for improved tailgate clearance, while the two 7,000 pounds axles feature 4-wheel electric brakes for reliable stopping power. The trailer has a 14,000 pounds GVWR and is equipped with ST23580R16 radial tires mounted on 8 lug white steel wheels. Durable hard rubber mud flaps help protect your cargo from road debris, while the treated 2x8 wood floor provides a sturdy and reliable deck for your equipment. The trailer is finished with a powder coat steel finish for added durability and corrosion resistance. Dealer handling is included in the price, and all deposits on trailers are non-refundable. Thanks for watching.